How to display the missing command line in AutoCAD. Welcome back to Sonic Tech. This video will teach you how to display the missing command line in AutoCAD. The command window accepts command and system variable input and displays prompts that guide you through the command sequence. Just type command line to display the command line. Or command line hide to hide it. Or you can also press Ctrl and 9 buttons to toggle the display of the command window or hide it.